Welcome, today I am with JBL Charge 5 and I will show you how you can pair this speaker to your Apple Watch. So the first you have to turn on your speaker and put it to the pairing mode. So click once on the power button. Right now tap once on the Bluetooth icon. And then grab your Apple Watch and smoothly move to the settings. Go for the Bluetooth and take a look on the available devices list. As you can see, JBL Charge 5 pops on the list, so we have to tap once, and after a few seconds, as you can see, we are connected. Of course, I will show you that everything is fine, so I'm going to play music. Let me just open the Apple Music, and I can play, for example, we can move this song. As you can hear, it goes through our speaker, and that's how you can connect Apple Watch to your JBL Charge 5. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.